Lesson 5, Geometry. Goals for this lesson. I understand what a side is, I understand what a corner is, and I understand vertices. Welcome. Today we'll be talking about geometry. Let's first talk what a vertex is. A vertex is when two lines meet each other. So we can call them a point. So each point of the triangle is a vertex. So again, vertices are when two lines touch. So this is the vertex of this. How many vertices do you think this square has? So, since these two lines are touching each other, this is a vertex. This is a vertex since these two are touching each other. And this is as well. However, I don't see any more lines touching each other than the ones that we counted, so it has 4 vertices. And this only has 3 vertices. Also notice that, well, we'll talk about it in the next slide. Next, we have a side. So a side is the line between two vertices. So notice we have one side here, we have another side here, and we have a third side here for a total of 3 sides. So again, a side is just the flat edge or the line between two vertices. So remember how we talked about the vertices of this rectangle square thing. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 flat sides. Lastly, we have a corner, but a corner is the same as a vertex. It's just another word for vertex. So now we're going to look at corners and vertices in 3D shapes. 3D shapes. So let's look at this cube first. Look, 2 lines meet each other there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 for the one that touches behind. So we can argue that this has corners and corners / vertices. Does this one? Yes, it does. Does this shape? Yes. This one? Yes. Does this one? No. The reason why is there's no lines meeting each other, right? So does this one? Yes. Does this one? Yes. And then does this one? Yes, it does. Now we wrap back up to this one. Does this one have a corner or a vertex? No. It does not. Now, let's review. So first we have vertices, or corners. When 2 lines touch each other. Or the corner of a shape. And then we have a side. The flat line part of the shape, or where 2 vertices meet, or between 2 vertices, sorry.